1. Stand up and do house chores. Many of us spend up to 8 hours a day staring at a computer screen at work, and when not working are fixated on our phones. We then go home only to stare at Netflix for another couple of hours. Consider about getting a standing desk at work, taking your calls on your feet, and having meetings standing up. Daily tasks such as house cleaning and vacuuming can keep you on your feet and can burn up to 500 calories a day. You can even burn more calories when you add more chores to your daily routine. How about cleaning the bathroom, dusting, cooking meals, sweeping, doing dishes, doing laundry, and much more? 2. Acupuncture. Acupuncture is not for everybody, and some find it nerve-wracking. However, your nervous system responds to one very simple kind: ear acupuncture.